let us understand how to rectify errors which do not affect trial balance. Now students, again certain steps have to be taken care of here. First one being that you must identify the error that has been committed. Once you identify the error that has been committed, then you must actually proceed to restore the wrong effect of the error that is, let's say any account has been debited or credited wrongly, then the entry or any accounting process that you should undertake or you would undertake should actually restore that wrong done to that particular account. Once this has been restored, then the second step should be to show the correct accounting entry, that is, to show the correct debit and credit, whether in this particular account or in any other account, that should have been made at the first place only. So now, how do we rectify? First one being that if any wrong entry has been done, then we must try and restore the wrong effect that has been done. And the second step is, once this has been restored, you must actually proceed to make the correct accounting entry. Now this involves two steps, that is, if any wrong debit has been done, so now what to do? This wrong debit should be cancelled by making a credit. What we'll do is make credit of equal amount. Once you make a credit of an equal amount, the effect of this wrong debit would be cancelled, and vice versa. Let's say a wrong credit has been done. Once we say that wrong credit has been done, then you should make a debit of equal amount so that the wrong effect is actually nullified, and then make a correct entry. Let us take an example to understand this. The example that I'm going to take is sale of goods worth rupees 5,000 to Ram, recorded as purchases. That means we had sold good worth rupees 5,000 to Ram, but unfortunately these were recorded as purchases. That means we have made a mistake of recording a sale as a purchase. So the wrong entry that we have done is, purchases account debited to Ram, debited to Ram 5,000. This is what we have done. What should have been done? That is correct entry. The correct entry should have been Ram to sales. Again students, remember that these entries have been done using the rules of debit and credit, that is personal, real and nominal accounts. All the rules have been applied in the same manner. Now students, what we have done is, we have wrongly debited purchases account and credited Ram's account, whereas it should have been Ram's account debited to sales account. So what is the rectifying entry? I'll prepare a journal for that. Journal. Purchases account has been wrongly debited. Since it has been debited, this effect should be cancelled. We must credit the purchases account. to purchases account 5,000 rupees. So now this account or this wrong effect has been rectified, as this was debited earlier. Now we have given an equal credit, so rectified. Then sales should have been credited. We should have credited sales, but we did not do it here. So credit sales as well to sales account 5,000. So sales also now rectified. Now students, according to the correct entry, Ram should have been debited. But here we have actually ended up crediting the Ram's account. So what we'll do is, we'll debit it because it should have been debited. So Ram debited, to purchases to sales, amount would be 10,000. Why 10,000? 5,000 for the correct debit and 5,000 for cancelling this wrong credit. 5,000 for correct debit and 5,000 for cancelling this wrong credit amount. So 5 plus 5 makes it 10. Otherwise also you can see that in a journal entry the debit and the credit totals should be same. So we'll write narration being rectified entry past.